Hello, my name is Koos de Villiers, owner of Talisman Hire Strand and others. Today we want to talk about HP washers, high pressure washers. We stock three variations at Talisman Hire within the Builders branch as well as within the Talisman branch. It's an electrical HP washer, 130 bar electrical HP washer. We stock a 200 bar petrol HP washer, and then we stock a 130 bar steam cleaner, which is also based on a 130 bar HP washer. What I want to discuss today with you is the do's and the don'ts, where we use it. Typically, an electrical HP washer will be used for cleaning roofs before painting. Where you've got more rugged and more abrasive dirt, you will use a 200 bar petrol HP washer for cleaning of walls pre-painting. The steam cleaner is typically used in the hospitality industry, where we use it to clean bathrooms of all unwanted germs and whatever cleaning you need in the bathrooms. This machine would vaporize the water at 130 bar up to about above 80 degrees. It will vaporize it. But you can also use it any temperature pre-80 degrees. But above 80 degrees to 120 degrees, it is a steam cleaner and it vaporizes the water in the system. It's got a gas burner that runs with it. It's got a electrical motor that requires you a minimum of 150 liters of flow per minute. And how do you measure that in any one of these machines? You would take a 20-liter bucket, put it under the tap, and you would require 15 liters in 1 minute for this machine to operate. For that machine, you require a minimum of 20 liters per minute for that machine to operate. Important to test your water flow before using your machines. Now, by using this electrical machine for roof cleaning, typically, it's nice and handleable. You can carry it, you put it on top of your roof. We hire all our equipment out with a rotary lance. And a rotary lance is very important. People, please understand that we do metal cutting with water as well. So that lance in operation will cut your hand. Therefore, every lance going out industry has to have a trigger operated lance, and this is for safety reason. It may not be tied down with a tie strap or any other mechanism. It is so that when there is a security or a risk issue at hand, so that the trigger is released. This machine requires at least 30 amps plugged in at a main plug. So if your circuit breaker is less than 20 amps, it would require a minimum of 30 amps startup electricity, and it is single phase, not through extension lead preferably, but directly into one of your house plugs. Your high pressure hose comes with the machine, which is screwed in on that side. It's a fixture on that side, and it's issued with a 20-meter high pressure hose, and this side is also screwed in onto the lance at this side. You would also be given a gardenia hose with all our equipment, and the gardenia hose fits into the machine through a giga coupler that side and a gardenia coupler onto your tap at home. The same applies for this, applies for the 20-liter machine, the 200 bar HP washer. Your 200 bar HP washer is a petrol machine, and the important thing about this is also understanding the minimum requirement of water required. But starting this machine is a normal petrol machine. It's got an on-off switch. You would put the on-off switch on. You would open your tap supply to this machine, and then you would require the machine to start. It's got on this side, if I can show you, it's got a petrol lever, and it's got a choke lever on that side. By starting it, both levers to your side, you would pull the machine up until you've got TDC, top dead center, and that's to reduce the release valve in the pressure chamber. Release the rope, you would pull it slowly, steady jerk, close the choke. You would notice starting this machine is effortless, provided you start it in the TDC position. Carry on, clean your homes, and be a happy customer by using one of our HP washers. Clean your house before painting everything, because the biggest cost is in the paint and the labor. I would strongly advise you to please clean your premises before painting at all. Thank you so much. Koos de Villiers, Talisman Hire Strand.